Oh my God.
Okay, we're at 80 degrees right now.
Tell me this is only 25 feet.
Well, the ladder's only extended up 20. Yeah.
Looking down is what gets you, right?
No, pretty much just everything. Just like existing here gets me. What's up, guys? It's Wednesday, so it's time to show you what's going on in the shop. We're gonna start over here with this Mustang, which just so happens to be blackout colors. This one's available for sale at Megan Ford in Connellsville, so if you like this thing, go check it out. We added some racing stripes, so we did satin black stripes, bumper to bumper on this one. On the lift is a Chevy Tahoe, so this car it had paint protection film and a Ceramic Pro Gold package installed on it already, and something happened on the other side of the bumper where something hit the car here, and the owner called us and said, hey, I think this is just in the film. Good news is it was just in the film, so no repaint for him. He definitely would have needed a repaint if it wasn't for the protected film, and now it got new film and a new coating installed. Patrick is working on an Escalade, so this thing got window tint all the way around, and it's now getting a gold package, I believe. Silver package, I was wrong. So that's a 5-year coating from Ceramic Pro, 2 layers of ceramic on that. And Jimmy's working on a big white truck, gold package. Over here, Isaiah and Luke are putting away our first big stocking order for remote starts this year. So lots and lots of remote start stuff. We know the season's coming. Give us a call, get yours on the schedule before we get too booked. Jimmy wants more attention, so.
No, I don't. It's a really clean truck. It looks really nice, thanks.
We also did paint protection film on the rockers of this, I forgot. So everything from that body line down is protected from rock chips and scratches. Patrick is also working on the Machinator. He's got most of the paint correction on this thing done. This car is really, really clean. We did the engine compartment. We did a full steam cleaning of that and dressed all the plastics and everything in the hood. This one's getting a full interior detail. I think we're gonna do some undercarriage stuff, which we don't do often, but every once in a while we do. The detailers are working on a couple of different things today. We've got a Honda CR-V, and they're doing the full interior and exterior of this and another one, but we have no water today. So, or the water main broke out on the highway here today, so we might have to keep these ones till tomorrow to finish them up. Marshall's working on cleaning up.
I told you, I'll do whatever you want. Just let my family go.
See what I deal with? This truck is getting a mini detail as well as some decals removed. We got the decals off. He's doing the interior now. Again, still waiting on water to finish her up. All right, outside we've got a Focus RS, and this car has paint protection film as well as a ceramic coating installed. It was back for a yearly checkup, so we did that and a full interior detail. This Hyundai's the other detail package, just waiting to do the exterior. And we've got a Kia Telluride. These things are awesome. If you haven't seen them up close yet, go check them out. This one got paint protection film on the whole front end. So the hood, the fenders, the front bumper, and the mirrors. And of course, we wrap edges wherever possible. All the edges of the hood, the fenders, top and back are wrapped, so it's as seamless of an installation as you can get with paint protection. Over here is a Subaru WRX. We did paint protection film on the lower parts of the doors. So from the factory, this has a piece of paint protection right in this area, and it was really beat up. You can tell down here, it's a similar situation. He's having the lower rockers repainted, but we went ahead and did a piece up here, as well as on the rocker panel, the lower part of the door here. So this Ram was here for a yearly checkup. We did not do the coating on this originally, but somebody did. So we did the annual inspection on that. We also did a coating on the fender flares because those apparently weren't done originally, and we did a wheels off package with ceramic coating also. We've got a Jaguar. This one's prepped and ready to go for ceramic. It's next in line. There's another Jaguar. This one is also getting coated, but got paint protection film installed first. So the whole hood, fenders, front bumper, and mirrors are protected with XPEL Ultimate Plus, and now it's waiting on ceramic. In the tin bay, Terrell's working on a Dodge Ram 2500. He's been booked solid all day, so he's cruising along. We've got another exciting project happening, but it's outside of the shop today, so we're gonna head over and check that out. We are 100 feet above the best city in the world, LATROBE, Pennsylvania. Check it out. We got a heck of a view up here. So we're here at LATROBE Fire Department to check out the new Phoenix LED lights that we installed in the front of the truck. So as soon as we get down out of the ladder, we're gonna show you what those look like. Behind me is the City of Latrobe Tower ladder truck. And you can see over here, we've got some outdated Whelen emergency lights. They work well, but they're older. They're not as bright as the newer Phoenix wide lux lights. So in the daytime, you may not notice quite the difference in lighting between these two, but at night, these are significantly brighter and they'll do a better job at letting people know that this truck is there. So while we're here, we figured we might as well show you another one that we did a little bit ago. So this is the City of Latrobe Rescue 2, and we replaced those emergency lights with Phoenix wide lux. Those are slightly larger than the ones that I just showed you in the other truck, but they're much brighter and they have a wider field of view than the older Whelen ones that were on there. If your department needs to update any of your trucks, or if you have new trucks coming in or anything like that, please give us a call. We'd be happy to take care of you. So that's it for what's in the shop and what's out of the shop this week. The only thing we're missing is Dean. He's tinting some houses today. So thank you very much for watching, and we will see you next week.